Hi, welcome back to this trading course on ADP's VistaHCM. PF, ESI, and professional tax are three important statutory obligations of any organization. Deductions of these statutory items from the employee's salary, remittance of the deducted amount to the government departments through the prescribed challans, and filing of required forms month-on-month are tedious activities in payroll management. ADP's VistaHCM makes these tasks quite easy and efficient. In this nugget, you will see how to use VistaHCM's PF, ESI, and professional tax modules. You may recall the steps of company setup in the administration module. Under the compensation setup, there was a menu to configure salary compute options. Let us have a look at that screen again. At the bottom of the screen, there were options whether the challenge for PF, ESI, and professional tax should be generated while making salary payment. If you have chosen yes to these challenge generation, the PF, ESI, and professional tax challenge will be generated automatically while the salary is being processed. Now, let us get into the PF module to check out the additional features that the module offers. Click on the Modules tab on the left, and then click on the PF icon on the top right of the screen. As you have already configured in the Administration module to generate PF challenge while making salary payment, the PF challenge will be automatically generated. If you wish to modify the challenge, click on Modify Challenge menu. Already generated PF challenge is displayed. If you wish to modify any of the details, you can do so. After making necessary modifications, click Save button to save the modified challenge. Click Close button to close the screen. VistaHCM facilitates generating various PF reports from the system. To start with, you can view the statement details individually by clicking on PF Monthly Reports main menu, and then by selecting PF Statement Detail menu. In the screen that opens, select the PF group and select the month. Then select the PF remittance to view. You can view the statement employee-wise or group-wise. If you choose the option to show values with PF account greater than 0, the statement of only those employees having PF deduction will be shown. Select how you want the details to be sorted. Then click on Submit button. PF Statement Register for the selected month is displayed in a separate window. Next, to view the PF Statement Summary, click on PF Statement Summary menu. The screen lists the PF remittances made. After selecting the PF group and the month, select the challenge by clicking on the checkbox. You can choose to view the details groups-wise. If you select View PF Amount Greater than 0, then the employees for whom PF contribution is not deducted will not be shown. You can choose how the details should be sorted. After selecting the options, click on Submit button to view the report. PF Statement Register for the selected month is displayed in a separate window. It is mandatory to file Form 12A with PF authorities every month. This PF return form gives the details of monthly PF remittances to PF. To view the monthly e-returns, click on PF Monthly e-returns menu. Select the month. Choose the challenge by clicking on the checkbox, and set the other options as before. Now click on Submit button to view the e-return. The screen lists all the PF deduction details for the month. Click on Generate e-file for Form 12A to create the e-return form to be filed with PF Department. The e-Form 12 file is created. You can save the e-return form to your system by clicking on the Save button and then clicking on OK button. This completes the PF module. Next, let us see the features of ESI module. click on the Modules tab on the left, and then click on the Employee Insurance icon. As you have already seen, the ESI challan will be created automatically while the salary payment is being processed. You can modify the challan by choosing Modify Challan menu in a similar manner as you saw in the PF module. In the ESI module, you can view various data related to ESI using the View main menu. Click on View ESI Register menu. In the screen that opens, click on the drop-down arrow besides the employee number. In the pop-up box that opens, select the employee by clicking on the name, and then click on OK button. ESI register for the selected employee for the year is displayed. Click Close button to close the screen. Similarly, you can view the ESI balance by clicking on View ESI Balance menu. In the screen that comes up, click on Select Employee button. The employees list is shown on a pop-up screen. Select the employee, and then click on OK button. The ESI balance statement for the selected employee is displayed. Click Close button to close the screen. In the Reports section of the ESI module, you can view ESI Statement Summary by clicking on the ESI Statement Summary e-Return menu. In the screen that opens, select the ESI group, the month, and then select the remittance by clicking on the Select checkbox. Select Show ESI Amount Greater Than 0 to list only those employees for whom ESI is deducted. You can select the Sort option, and then click on Submit button. The ESI statement for the month is displayed on a separate window. Similarly, you can view the ESI return data by choosing ESI Return Data submenu. Select the month, and then select the ESI remittance. Click on Submit button to view the details. The ESI return data for the selected month is displayed on a separate window. This completes the ESI module. Next, let us see the Professional Tax module. Click on the Modules tab on the left, and then click on the Professional Tax icon at the bottom. As you already know, the Professional Tax challan will be created automatically. You can modify the challan using Modify P-Tax Challan menu. As you have seen in other modules, in Professional Tax Module 2, you can take out various report. You can view Detailed Professional Tax Statement by clicking on Professional Tax Detailed Statement menu. Select the month range for the report by selecting from month and to month and click on Submit button. The Professional Tax report for the selected month range is displayed in a separate window. In the same way, you can take out other reports such as Professional Tax Range Summary, Professional Tax Statement, and Professional Tax Report data using the respective menus. This brings you to the end of this nugget on PF, ESI, and Professional Tax. In this video you saw how to modify PF challan, view PF monthly reports such as PF Statement, PF Statement Summary, and PF Monthly Returns. In the ESI module, you saw how to modify ESI challan, view ESI Register, view ESI Balance, take ESI Statement Summary, and ESI Return Data. And finally, in the Professional Tax module, you saw how to modify Professional Tax challan and take various professional tax reports. With this, we conclude the PF, ESI, and Professional Tax modules. Thank you for watching this video.